Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Ksolves toggle switch app. Using this app you'll be able to replace Odoo's default boolean with checkboxes with beautiful toggle switches. So let's get started by installing the app. Go to apps, cross over this filter and type in the name of our app, which is toggle switch. Click on enter. Once you click on enter, you'll notice that the app has been displayed over here. Click on install. Once the installation is complete, the page reloads with our app already installed. Now as you can see, the page has reloaded. Now our app has been installed, but we still need to enable it. So let's go to settings. Under the settings, you have a menu called general settings. Let's click over there. Now you can see there's a menu called toggle switch. Now the boolean view checkboxes look like this. Once we enable Ksolves toggle switch app, you will notice that these checkboxes, boolean view checkboxes, will change to toggle switches. Now let's activate our app. Click over here and click on save. Now you can see the checkboxes have changed with our toggle switches. In addition to providing the toggle switch, we are also providing you two types of toggle switches. Now this one is a rectangular toggle switch. Now let's change from rectangular to rounded. Select rounded, click over save. Now the page will reload and you will notice that the rectangular toggle switch has changed to rounded toggle switch. We are also providing you with an option of changing the color. Click over here, select pink, click on save, and now you will notice that the color will change from green to pink. Now let me show you how the toggle switches work in a default Odoo module. Ksolves toggle demo. Let's create a record. Let's name it toggle switch. Description can be toggle switch, toggle switch. Now this is the checkbox, the default Odoo checkbox, and this has been replaced with our toggle switch. Now let's activate it and click on save. This is how it looks in a form view. Now let's go in a editable view list. And this is the record that we created. Toggle switch is currently active. Now let's edit it. Click on it. Active, of course. In order to save this, click on save. And let me show you how this is reflected in the form view as well. As you can see, we deactivated, so it is showing deactivated here as well. Now let me show you a view with multiple toggle switches. As you can see this. In order to edit it, you can do edit, save. Now that's all we are providing in our toggle switch app. I hope you liked it. If you have any more suggestions, customizations or comments, please do leave below in the comment section. We'll get back to you immediately. Thanks for watching the video.